Hello, I'm Tanya Vardhan, an investment banking intern at Insight Solutions. Today's video presentation topic is that why critical thinking is important for a financial analyst. So it's really important for them, and that is because of the following reasons. First of all, problem solving. So as a financial analyst, you'll often come across a lot of financial problems, and there you need to analyze the problems. You'll have to find out the root cause of those problems, and at the end, you need to have proper solutions for them. And to do all these things, one need to be a critical thinker. Data analysis is another reason, because the role of financial analyst is to study a huge amount of data. And while doing that, you need to be critical thinker so that you can analyze the data properly and interpret the results, some good amount of results out of it. Risk assessment is another reason, because as a financial analyst, you will have to find out that if there is any potential risk associated with your project or whatever company you are working upon. And in order to do that, of course, critical thinking is required. Then valuation and due diligence. So why as a financial analyst, you'll have to do valuation of a company and due diligence as well in case of some mergers and acquisitions. So here also one need to be a critical thinker. For the purpose of forecasting also, critical thinking is very important, because that's how you will be able to find out that if there are any trends going on, if there is some pattern in the market, and according to that you will be able to make some future forecasts, some important results you will be able to get out of it only if you're a critical thinker. Now decision making. For the purpose as a financial analyst, you'll often have to make a lot of decisions, and that with a very short span of time. So there also critical thinking is required. And at the end, whatever results you have find out, you need to communicate that properly. So here also, if you have the skills of critical thinking, you will be able to do better communication. So that's why I would say that critical thinking is really important for a financial analyst. Thank you.